stop scrolling, you're about to learn how to get paid for flaws on major websites. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need a degree. You just need an AI that does all the heavy lifting for you. This is the side hustle nobody is talking about because the people making money from it want to keep it a secret. This is why you're still broke. You're not in the loop. It's called bug bounty hunting. Big companies will literally pay you cash to find vulnerabilities in their websites and apps. They'd rather pay you a few $100s than lose millions to a real hacker. The problem? It used to require years of coding experience. Not anymore. Now AI levels the playing field. Anyone can do this. Anyone can get paid. Your lack of skill is no longer an excuse. Forget everything you've heard about needing to be a genius. We're not doing complex hacking. We're using AI to find the low-hanging fruit, the simple stuff that the corporate security teams miss because they're too busy with the big threats. These are easy finds, and they still pay. You're basically getting paid to run a program and send an email. If you can do that, you can start this today. The first step is to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a hunter. You need a target. Don't go for Google or Facebook on day one. That's a rookie mistake. You'll be competing with thousands of pros. Instead, you need to find companies with newer programs. They're hungrier for reports and more likely to pay out for simpler bugs. Platforms like HackerOne or BugCrowd list them all. Here's the AI that changes the game. There are many, but a beginner should start with something like an automated vulnerability scanner. These tools use AI to crawl a website and check for thousands of known issues automatically. It's like having a team of security experts working for you 24/7, except it's an algorithm. You point it at a website, press go, and wait for the results. It's that simple.
But here's where everyone messes up. They just run the scan and send a messy report. That gets ignored. You need to use the AI's output to look smart. The tool will give you a list of potential bugs classified by severity: critical, high, medium, low. Ignore critical at first. Look for the medium or low priority bugs. These are your golden ticket. They're often overlooked and easy to explain. Let's take a common example. Cross-site scripting, XSS. Sounds complicated, right? It's not. The AI scanner will literally give you the exact line of code and the URL where the flaw exists. You don't need to understand the code. You just need to copy and paste the AI's findings into a report. The AI does the work, you take the credit. This is your unfair advantage. Use it. Now, the report itself. This is where you get paid or get ignored. Keep it clean. No emotion, no long stories. Follow this template. 1. What the bug is. 2. Where you found it. Paste the URL from the AI. 3. How to reproduce it. Paste the steps from the AI. 4. The potential impact. The AI will even suggest this for you. Your job is just to be a professional messenger. You submit the report through the official platform, like HackerOne. Never email a random employee. That's how you get into trouble. Use the official channel. After you submit, a security team will review it. They'll try to replicate the bug you found. Since you just copied the AI's proven steps, they will succeed. This is the moment your report goes from pending to triaged. That means they've confirmed it's real. But wait, here's the detail that makes the difference between getting a thank you and getting a 4-figure payout. You need to check for duplicates. Before you submit, search the platform to see if someone else already reported the same bug. The AI scanner is fast, but you might not be the first. If it's a duplicate, move on. Wasting their time with old news is the fastest way to get a bad reputation.
Once your bug is confirmed as valid and unique, the company assigns a severity score. This score, combined with their company policy, determines your payout. A low-impact bug might be $100. A medium one could be $500 to $2,000. You are not going to find $1 million bug on your first day. Stop dreaming. Start with the goal of making your first $100, then another. This is a volume game. Payment is usually handled through the platform. You connect your bank or PayPal and they send the money. It's a real, legitimate transaction. You get paid and you might even get your name on their Hall of Fame page. This isn't some shady online hustle. You are literally getting paid to be an ethical hacker, a digital security consultant, and your only tool is an AI you downloaded. You're probably thinking, if it's this easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Because most people are lazy. They hear the word hacking and give up. They don't know that AI now automates 90% of the work. They're still stuck in the old mindset that you need skills. You don't. You just need the right information and the willingness to actually take action. Most people will watch this and do nothing. Let's get more specific. You need another AI tool in your arsenal. This one is for reconnaissance. It's called Target Expansion. Before you scan a website like example.com, you use an AI to find all of its related subdomains like app.example.com or dev.example.com. These forgotten secondary sites are often less secure. They are a goldmine for easy bugs that everyone else misses. This is how you find the real opportunities. The process is simple. You feed the main domain to the AI Recon tool. It scours the internet for any connected domains and gives you a list. Now, instead of one target, you have 50. You take this expanded list and feed it into your AI vulnerability scanner. You have just increased your chances of finding a payable bug by 50 times, and all you did was copy and paste a list. Work smarter, not harder.
This is why you're broke. You're trying to compete head-on. You're fishing in a crowded pond. The secret is finding the hidden ponds nobody else knows about. These forgotten developer sites and staging servers are where the easy money is. The main corporate site is a fortress. These subdomains are often just unlocked shits. The AI gives you the map and the key. All you have to do is turn it. Let's be real. Your first few reports might get rejected. They might be duplicates. You might misunderstand the AI's output. Who cares? This is a numbers game. Your goal is to submit 5 reports a day. Even if 4 get rejected, that one success pays for your time. Most people quit after their first rejection. That's why they fail. They lack persistence. Don't be like them. You need to build a routine. Every morning, you check for new programs. You run your AI Recon tools to expand the targets. You start the vulnerability scans and let them run in the background. While they work, you write up the reports from yesterday's findings. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a system, a process. You build the machine once, then you just run it. The AI is the engine. Here's a pro tip nobody will tell you. Focus on a specific type of bug. Instead of being a generalist, become a master of one thing. Configure your AI scanner to only look for XSS or for insecure direct object references. You'll learn to spot them faster, write better reports, and build a reputation for that specific skill. Companies will start to recognize your name. That's when you can start demanding higher payouts. The tools are out there. Many of them have free tiers you can start with today. You have nothing to lose. The only thing stopping you is the belief that you're not qualified. That belief is a lie. The barrier to entry has been destroyed by AI. The question is, are you going to walk through the open door, or are you going to keep complaining that you don't have the key?
Don't get greedy. If you find a serious bug, don't try to exploit it. Don't download data. Don't post it on social media. That's the line between being a security researcher and being a criminal. Your job is to find the unlocked door, report it to the owner, and get paid for your service. That's it. Stay professional, stay ethical, and you can do this for years. Get reckless, and you'll end up in serious trouble. The biggest corporations in the world are running these programs. This is not some niche market. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry that is desperate for more people. They have more websites than their internal teams can possibly check. They are literally inviting you to come find their mistakes and are promising to pay you for it. It is the most direct way to get paid in the entire tech industry. Think about it. While your friends are trying to sell dropshipping junk or fill out mindless surveys for pennies, you could be cashing a check from a Fortune 500 company. You'll have a skill that's actually in demand. You'll understand more about how the internet actually works. This isn't just a side hustle, it's a launch pad. But it starts with you deciding to stop consuming and start creating. Stop watching and start doing. Everything you need is a Google search away. Search for bug bounty platforms. Search for AI vulnerability scanners. The information is free. The tools are available. The opportunity is real. The only variable is you. Are you going to be the person who talks about making money online or the person who actually does it? The choice is simple. Stop waiting for permission. No one is going to hand it to you. This is your chance to get ahead. While everyone else is distracted by the latest shiny object, the latest passive income fantasy, you can be building a real skill set and a real income stream. This isn't a fantasy. It's a system. It's a process powered by AI that anyone can learn. The method works. Now you just have to work the method. Start today. No more excuses. Go.
The competition is lazy. They won't do the recon. They won't write clean reports. They won't focus on one bug type. They'll give up after one rejection. Every single one of their weaknesses is your opportunity. By simply being persistent and professional, and by properly leveraging these AI tools, you are already in the top 10%. The standards are shockingly low. You can dominate this space. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It will never come. Your financial situation will not magically fix itself. You have to take action. You now have the blueprint. You have the strategy. You know which tools to use and what mistakes to avoid. The only thing left is to execute. Close this video, open a new tab, and start your first recon scan right now.